Do you want to edit a single photo in multiple different ways? Well, don't waste space on your disk by duplicating them. Instead, use variants. Howdy everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be covering how to use variants in Zoner Studio. Let's go take a look. Now, if you've never heard of variants yet, you might be duplicating your photos and unnecessarily filling up your hard drive for no reason. There's a better way. Variants are virtual copies of a photo, which are stored in the exact same way as non-destructive edits. But they don't take up any extra space and are only visible in Zoner Studio. Using variants is super easy. To create a variant, click this variant icon in the navigation toolbar or right-click the photo you want and choose Create Variant. In the film strip, you can see the selected photo is labeled Variant 1. Now we can edit one photo in color and the other in black and white. Now I like my black and white photos to have more contrast, so I want to adjust the exposure differently for black and white. Once we have both versions edited, I'm going to select both of them and export them as two separate photos. You can collapse a group of variants by clicking this number next to the original photo. Expand them the exact same way. Variants are also great for when you want to apply a preset to a photo, but just can't decide which one you like the best. Start by editing your photo how you want, then create a variant of the edited version. The new variant keeps your current edits so you can try out different presets without losing any of your progress. You can create as many variants as you need. Now that I applied a different preset to each variant, I'm going to select them all, choose which version I like the best, and export it. And that's how you can use variants to save your disk space and your time. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, and I hope that you're enjoying Zoner Studio. Talk to you later. Ciao.